On behalf of the Board of Supervisors, I would like to express my deepest sympathy to the family and the friends of John Geer. Any untimely death is a tragedy, and our board continues to be extremely frustrated and disappointed with the amount of time it has taken for this investigation to come to a resolution. I am pleased that the information and details we are releasing today are now available to the public. This breaks the logjam that has prevented the sharing of information that the public and the Geer family have been requesting. In the Geer case, there are 3 separate investigations and a civil lawsuit. The county has policies in place to avoid interfering with and jeopardizing open criminal and civil cases. The court order resolves staff's concerns regarding what could and could not be shared. This is an unusual and complicated situation for Fairfax County. Our current policies regarding a police-involved shooting do not address the unique situation where the Commonwealth's attorney refers a case to federal investigators. Our board will thoroughly review these policies to make sure we are consistently responsive and transparent with regard to police incidents and public safety concerns. In Fairfax County, we've worked very hard to build trust within the community, especially with the police department, and our policies must reflect this. Statistically, Fairfax County is the safest jurisdiction of its size in the United States, and I am very proud of our public safety professionals who helped to make that happen. In Fairfax County, our police officers enjoy a strong and positive partnership with the community they serve and protect. Each of our 8 police districts has a Citizens Advisory Committee that meets regularly. At these meetings, residents of the area have the opportunity to learn of safety issues in their community and to share information that is of concern to them. Additionally, the county's Neighborhood Watch programs operate with strong support from and collaboration with our police department. All of our Fairfax County high schools and middle schools benefit from specially trained school resource officers. As chairman, I've made it a point to ride throughout the county with the police chief on National Night Out, and I can tell you that the community's trust and appreciation of our police officers is enormous. Most recently, Chief Rossler established a police department diversity council consisting of representatives of our county's minority populations to help ensure law enforcement's sensitivity to the many cultural differences that exist within our community. The unique positive relationship that our police department has established with the community they serve is significant. This has helped to foster trust of public safety and is a major factor in keeping our crime rate extraordinarily low. While this has been a unique and complicated set of circumstances, our board is committed to making sure Fairfax County policies will not result in delays should similar situations arise in the future. Fairfax County has provided all information and materials requested in order for these investigations to move forward. We join with the Geer family and the community in urging a fair and timely resolution. Thank you so much.